In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board background and colors in Trello. If you're looking to give your Trello board a fresh new look, or simply want to customize it to match your personal style or project theme, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that even if you're completely new to Trello, you'll find it easy to follow along and implement yourself. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the board you wish to customize. On your main Trello dashboard, locate your board from the list available. Click on the board to enter its main interface, where you'll see all your lists, cards, and other elements related to your project. Once you're in the board, it's time to proceed to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll spot three small dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu is the gateway to many customization options for your board, including the ability to change its background and colors. With the drop-down menu open, look for the option labeled Change Background. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to a new screen that displays various choices for your board's appearance. Here you have the opportunity to explore different themes and background settings. At this stage, you can select from a variety of background options. Trello offers a selection of beautiful photos and solid colors, which you can use immediately. If you prefer a solid color, simply click on the color that speaks to you the most, and watch as your board transforms instantly. Alternatively, if you're drawn to photographic backgrounds, browse through the collection and select one that aligns with the mood or theme of your project. For those who love a personal touch, Trello also provides customization options beyond the standard choices. You can upload your own images, allowing you to infuse your board with your personal flair. To do this, simply follow the provided prompts to select and upload an image from your device. Once you've made your selection, either from a photo, a solid color, or your own upload, your board will update with a fresh background. This change is automatically saved, so you can exit the customization menu confidently, knowing your board now looks exactly the way you want it to. And there you have it. Personalizing your Trello board by changing its background and colors is as straightforward as that. With these simple steps, you can make sure your workspace not only serves its functional purpose, but also reflects your unique style or project aesthetic. Enjoy exploring different looks and making your Trello boards truly your own. Happy customizing!